you are telling your wife that she doesn't contribute anything in the table. Women, we contribute more than men. You know that men, they think that to contribute is to bring money, to bring food on the table. Women, we contribute more than men, because to carry a child for 9 months, to go to labor, you know that when you are going to labor, we are taking a risk, because it's do or die. Other people, they don't survive at labor, but you are telling your wife who carry your kids, maybe 4 kids or 5 kids for you, that you don't bring anything in the table. Guys, women, guys, we are queens. We are supposed to stay at home and take care of kids than to go to work. Nowadays, things are changed, guys, that we have got 50-50, because yes, women, we want to have our own money, because men, they don't taking care of us. Guys, when you are a man, you are going to work, don't say that money you are working, it's your own money. You want to control everything. You're not giving your wife money, but your wife is taking care of your kids. You understand? That wife gave your child a breastfeeding. Your child is crying at night. She wake up, gave a child breastfeeding, stay at home, and you are saying to your wife, your job is to eat my money. No, she is not eating your money. It's, guys, sometimes we don't understand. Women, we contribute to carry 9 months to raise kids, to send a child to morning, every morning you give a child a bath, lunchbox, everything, to make sure that that child is clean when is going, those kids are going to school, are okay. It's to contribute. We contribute more than men. So I don't understand, why are you telling your wife that my wife doesn't contribute anything? You understand? It's a very strong word when you are telling your wife that you don't contribute anything in the table. You understand? So guys, that's why you saw things are changed. Our mother, they don't go to work, because our father, they know that our mother's job is to take care of us, and at end of the month, they have got that card, go to bank. My mother, guys, was using maybe my father's money. My father maybe can have a salary at end of the month, but at end of the month, the person who collects money is my mother. You understand?